Here is the quick simple take before you buy. What's up everyone? Today we're looking at a product worth your attention. Are you tired of mediocre cleaning robots that just can't get the job done? Look no further than the DREAME X50 Ultra Complete Robot Vacuum and Mop. This game-changing device is a top-rated favorite among many customers, and for good reason. With its advanced features and sleek design, it's no wonder that so many people have fallen in love with the X50 Ultra. One of the standout features of this robot vacuum is its ability to tackle tough messes with ease, thanks to its powerful Vormax suction, which can pick up everything from cat litter to crumbs with a quiet, yet intense, cleaning power. You'll be amazed at how effortlessly it glides across your floors, picking up dirt and debris with a soft whooshing sound that's almost soothing. The DuoBrush system is also a major highlight, as it expertly manages long hairs and tangles, leaving your floors feeling smooth and looking immaculate. But what really sets the X50 Ultra apart is its versatility. It can easily clean under sofas and other low-clearance areas, thanks to its innovative VersaLift Navigation system, which lowers its height to just 3.5 inches. And with its advanced AI camera and LED guidance, you can trust that it will expertly navigate tight spaces and avoid obstacles with ease. Whether you're dealing with dusty corners, messy pet areas, or just your average everyday dirt and grime, the DREAME X50 Ultra is the perfect solution. It's a cut above the rest, and its popularity is well-deserved, so why not give it a try and see the difference for yourself? With the X50 Ultra, you'll be enjoying a cleaner, more peaceful home in no time. If this helped, hit link is in the description for the current price. If this review helped, please like the video, subscribe for more honest reviews, and share it if you liked the video.